Hello everyone, welcome back to the Chima Digital Video channel. In this video, I want to show you how to withdraw your ONX token. ONX token is the native token of Onus Tap Telegram app. Now, for some time now, for some months now, the mining has been going on. As of yesterday, mining stopped. So withdrawal has started today, and listing is just in 3 days' time on 29th of November 2024. So for those of us who mine this, you can now withdraw. But let me tell you something, even if you don't mine, you didn't mine on, so you cannot mine it again, you can still register. If you register, the system is doing something for those of us who are already part of this, and it's much more for new persons. If you register now, the system is going to give you it's a question of your luck. You get some Bitcoin tokens, that's satoshis. You're also going to get some USDT, and it's free. So even if you have missed out a token, you can still take advantage of this and get all of these things. So that's very important. You're going to see the link to join in this video description. Now, but for those of us who mind this, I want to show you. I may not have got much because some of these things at the time we stopped. When you think that nothing is happening, this is all I have here. I know some people got into millions and all that, but I just have 143 coins of this. We don't know, nobody knows how much they're going to list at. But let's see how it goes. Now, one good thing about this is that they are not taking anything away from this. You are withdrawing everything you have here. Let's see how it goes now. So now look at the steps. The first thing you need to do is to be sure you are qualified as an eligible user. And now 3 things or so are involved in being eligible. Now let me show you. Please, you have to open an Onus account. How do you open an Onus account? You first of all go to your Play Store, whatever store you have here, the App Store. Go there and download Onus. In order to not make mistake and get the wrong download, in this video description, you're going to see the right link, the download link. Follow it and download it. Don't just go there and start getting a lot of things are there. Just follow the link you're going to see in this video description, then download it and register account with it. Very, very easy. So once you've done that, the next thing you're going to do is to connect this app. You see me talking from now, the Telegram app. Connect it to that Onus Wallet. When you download the Onus Wallet and install it, all you need to do is to create an account. The normal way you create an account with, when you download things like Trust Wallet, all those wallets, just create an account with it, and then you now have an account that is running. Now come here and connect it together, and once you've done that and follow the other little few processes, you're not paying anything to do that. You'll be qualified as an eligible user. In that case, you can withdraw your tokens, because for some of us, you might be seeing that your token is ready now, but here they are writing you are not eligible. So you need to do all of these things for you to be eligible. So once you think you are eligible, look at already see here. This is November 26th. That's today. ONX withdrawals are now open both on chain and off chain via the Onus app. Now, November 29th, that's when listing will take place and trading starts on that same day. Please, very important. And you cannot for now trade it on any other exchange. So it's still going to be on Onus exchange. That's why you need that Onus app right now. So look at what to do. If all these ones are satisfied, now let's go to withdraw. So what am I going to do? Just watch now. And I want to withdraw also. I'm going to click on maximum. Then I click on, now the system say eligible user. Very important that you have that. We have how many eligible players? 646,128. The number of people that play this were much more than this. They run into millions. But as you can see now, only 600 and something, not even up to a million, are eligible to make this withdrawal. Think about it. So you still have time between that before 29th. Because I know some of these millions that play this game, where are they? So please follow this and do this so that you can get your coin to your wallet. Now I'm going to click on withdraw to wallet. Let's watch it. Okay, you can now see successfully withdraw 143,816.2 Onus to Onus Wallet, because you know why it went immediately without stressing me? Because of the fact that it's already connected. You have done the connection before now, so I click on done. It has gone. Now please, when you do this, don't give up, because you might do it and see the system will write not enough balance. Please repeatedly do it and you're going to have it. So as it stands now, I've made withdrawal of this token and you can see I don't have any more thing remaining here. So the next question is, let me quickly check my now that the coin had been sent successfully. In the next few hours or whatever, or minutes, or before 29th, definitely my coin will be on my wallet. But meanwhile, let me check my wallet right away. That's the Onus App, and so that's it here. So you're gonna also check that's ONX. For now, you may not see it here. Friends, is here right now. You can see under these assets, look at my ONX. Look at what I just made withdrawal and it's already landed instantly. No waste of time. Please do that right now. Do that right now. Like I told you, even if you have missed a token, when you sign up, you're going to get some amount of free BTC. Like I have here. Please do where to get this. It's to your own record. And Onus is a very super one. Let's see what happened on 29. So I already have my coin on my wallet, and that is wonderful. Please go through this video painstakingly and do the right thing to get this withdrawal done right now. Please, very important. And if you are new to our channel, do it to subscribe. We're going to bring you more updates, not only on Onus, but every other thing happening in the crypto world. Share this video and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.